Hello everybody, Navy Vet 76 out at the range today with my Model 38 TS Machete or Modelo 91 Troop Special or TS. I don't know much about the designation of this rifle. I'm told online that this is kind of a rare one. I really don't know much about that. So this one, I am going to try a different bullet today. What I have here are some pulled 7.35 caliber bullets that I bought a big batch of, and there's two different kinds of bullets in this load on this. I'm using the same powder, and I forgive me, I forgot what the load was for these. And then I bought some Arms Corps 308 147 grain, I believe. I got 150 grain wrote down, but I don't think that's right. I think it's 147 grain. And I was looking for faster powder because of this short barrel to see if any of these things. Now what I did with these Arms Corps bullets is I run them through a 300 diameter sizing dial, specially made for the 7.2. And these Arms Corps bullets haven't worked very well in any of the 308s I've shot them before. So I thought I'd try them in the Carcano today and see how they do. I also want to do a speed between the actual Carcano bullets, and I'm using IMR 4198 at 18 grains, which is a pretty fast. And I'm wondering if that's going to make any difference. So I'm going to quit blasting, and we'll see what happens. Okay. All right. I got the chronograph set up down there, if I didn't mention that before. So hopefully the chronograph will read. So this does have the fixed rear sight.
Alright, you have 1 minute till the ceasefire. You have
1,351 feet per second. $13.52. $13.63. Deviation's pretty good. Really got to ram that back. I don't want to lose cases. That one's 1602.
ceasefire, fire line. Please make
All right.
the fire line safe.
Ceasefire. Okay, the break is over. I went down and took a peek, and it looks like it's shooting right at point of aim with a little bit of spread. But I want to continue. I know where it's hitting, but I want to continue shooting there because I want to see how it groups. I got my shooting glasses on now. I can't see up close. What I have is one lens is about this much range and the other one's like 50 yards. That says 1326. So I must have had a hot load in one of those. I'm gonna check these. We don't have any pressure signs. I do have some primers that are pushing back, but they're not really flattened. So that's kind of weird. So anyway, I got 2 targets down there, one on top of the other, and I just shot 6 rounds at the bottom target. Now I'm going to use carcano loads from my previous load. Use the carcano bullets, which are longer actually than the Armed Corps resized 308. I'm going to switch to my other glasses so I can read the chronograph. Alright, now we're going for the top target. And those are 1579. That one was. So that 4198 really didn't do what I was expecting it to. $15.72. Brass needs a little trim or something. $15.49. Yeah, that brass. That one was. That's gonna need some work. Get it back home. Do some trimming and stuff. $15.63. Whoa, that one was $18.60. $16.12. That should have been the last one. Okay. The magazine, there it is. In-block clip, I mean. Alright. Okay. I just was doing an ammo test today and a speed test. Now I have it on camera. I cheated and looked in the scope. I'm not going to give it away till we get down there. Obviously the first ones were around 250 feet per second slower than the other ones. And these were the Armed Corps 308s that I resized. My aim point was right here. I got 2 at the aim point, and then they just all spread out all over the place. And it was the same with the pulled carcano bullets. And even with the different geometry, the carcano bullets are a little longer even. And I got pretty much the same thing. So, I don't know. I don't really know. I think from my experience with these carcanos, I have really not had one shoot any better than that. But maybe I'll just keep trying. But I'm not going to shoot any more today. I want to go down to the pistol range. So, okay. See you in the next video.